When getting in and out of your lifted truck, you need a firm and supportive brace that gives you the confidence, clearance, and appearance like ICI's Alumilite steps. The Alumilite steps from ICI offer a rugged yet sleek bolt-on design. Like the Alumilite bumper, these steps are lightweight and rust-resistant. They are made from a 5052 grade aluminum, eco-dipped, then powder-coated black. Lastly, the steps are slightly textured in a matte black finish. Whether you live in the mountains or by the sea, the Alumilite series is designed to endure the elements and withstand rust. Not only are they lightweight and rust-free, these hoop design steps also use less space than other styles, offering more clearance. The hoop will catch rocks and debris that your front tire kicks up. In the case they get damaged, they can be removed without replacing the bracket as well. These steps are mounted to the rocker panel, as shown here. When the sun hits just right, the ICI USA logo on the steps will cast a cool shadow on the ground, making these steps one of a kind. Due to the lightweight aluminum design, installation is a one-person job and a piece of cake. Brackets and hardware are included in a matching black color to keep the style consistent. The step bar has a lip at the top that allows the user to hang the bar over the brackets and utilize both hands when attaching the bar. These steps attach very tightly onto the vehicle, providing the rocker panel with extra protection from unwanted rocks and debris. The Alumilite steps from ICI come with a limited lifetime warranty. If you're interested in purchasing the ICI Alumilite steps or having them installed, check out our dealer locator below. And as always, leave us a like or a comment. And thanks for watching In the Garage. We'll see you next time.